What's up mga idol? I'm here again to share my another techniques in my riding Angkasabal.
Hello po.
Oh, ma'am, how old are you, ma'am?
20 years old po.
So, what country are you?
Philippines, of course.
Philippines, and you look like a foreigner.
I'm Chinese but born in the Philippines.
Oh, really? What's your name, ma'am? Please?
Megan.
Megan.
Atan.
Oh, really? Thank you so much, ma'am, for my ride, and thank you so much for your trusting me. And anyway, I want to say thank you to all the people trusting me about my riding techniques, Angkasabal. And this is my ride, Angkasabal. Welcome to my vlog. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. This is your first time, ma'am, to ride Angkasabal?
Yes, sir.
Wow. Just call me Kuya. Ay, kuya. Kuya. Basta marunong ka mag-Tagalog?
Yes po.
Wow, thank you so much, ma'am. Salamat, ma'am, sa tiwala mo sa akin. Thank you so much. Ayan. So, sa inyo, ma'am, nag-aaral din kayo martial arts?
Hindi pa po.
Oh, I'm a tutorial about martial arts, boxing, kickboxing, muay thai, karate, taekwondo, arnis. And free tutorial. Libre po akong turo. Wow.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Video.
Yes, ma'am. Either pupunta ako home service or kung saan po pwede akong magturo ng libre. Depende kung halimbawa mentality siya, nagtuturo din ako ng combat kali or self defense about hand-to-hand techniques. Oh, thank you so much, ma'am, for your trust me to ride. This is your first time to ride Angkasabal?
Yes po.
Wow. Thank you so much, mama. And this is my ride from Makati City. Alright, thank you so much, mama. Makati City, BGC Makati or Taguig. This is a boundary. Boundary, ma'am, di ba? Nasa boundary na tayo ng Taguig and Makati City. Thank you so much, ma'am, and welcome sa aking
Thank you po.
vlog.